In order for your tweets to be seen, you have to have followers. So it's pretty obvious that the more followers you have, the more exposure that your tweets will get. So it's very important to get as many followers as you can so that you'll get more exposure. So on this account here, I have several Twitter accounts. This one I have 6,584 followers. But as you can see, I'm also following around 5,800 people on Twitter. So basically, the trick is to follow as many people as you can, people that are in your niche, the people that are interested in what you are selling or marketing. Follow as many people as you can, and because what happens is a lot of people that you follow will follow you back. Okay, so the key here. You could do a search on Twitter for people that are interested in the topic that you are marketing in. And one tool that you could use is Tweepy. This will make it a lot easier to follow people, and I believe you can also automatically follow people if you have a paid account with them. I'm not sure about that because I don't use Tweepy, but I have heard of other Twitter marketers using this tool. So this is one that you may want to look into. Um, the other option for you is just to do it manually, just to follow as many people as you can in your Twitter account.